Okay guys, one second. We've got a very special speaker here today. Angel.
Everyone would know that I generally don't speak, I drum. I'll try not to get emotional, but the reason why I drum is that the drum unifies everyone. It doesn't matter what class, what job you have, what you do, what race, what you're earning, but the first thing we ever heard was a drum beat. And that drum beat was from our mums. That's the first thing we heard in our mother's womb. I want everyone to know that you can't silence the drum beat because it's in every one of you. Everyone. That's what makes us human. That's God's gift. And I have heard that the council is here to issue infringements, but let me tell you, God has given everyone a free will, and that's the gift that God has given us. It is up to you to choose, because saying that I'm following orders doesn't cut it anymore. We all have a conscience. Let me tell you, I will drum. I will keep on drumming for the kids in the wombs, for the kids that have had adverse reaction, for the mothers, for the fathers, for every single one of you on here. And let me tell you, for me to stop drumming, it will mean that I'm gone. I will keep on drumming for everyone, including you, including everyone. Every state in Australia start drumming. Every country start drumming. I want to hear your heartbeat. I want to see you sing. I want you to hear my heartbeat.
Give it up. What a legend. What a legend, guys. That's awesome.